Hey guys, what's going on? Jamie here. Wanted to do a quick video here to reveal the NFTs that people who are qualifying for these bond promotions are going to get. These NFTs are going to be pivotal when layer two launches, guys. They're already talking about layer two. So yeah, lots of stuff happening here in the Warren finance space. All right, guys. So real quick, not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. Are going to get into Warren finance or anything we talk about, please do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. We'll leave a link for that down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. And with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in, guys. As you guys know, we are in the middle of a bond promotion started on the 14th. Just so you know, the cutoff, the promotion will end on the 28th of this month, right? So I'm doing this on the 24th. So on the 28th, 3 p.m. Eastern, that is the cutoff. Okay. So there's still, there's still time for you to qualify. Now, just know that this platform, this protocol, not conservative by any means, guys. Like right now, I'm getting almost 4.5% per day. I would imagine there's some people getting 5%. Even if you just start today, you're getting, 2.6% or something like that. You're going to start off at, because again, the base is 2% a day. So it's definitely on the aggressive side, but I know there's a lot of you guys on this channel that love that stuff, including myself, because it allows you to potentially hit your break-even point much quicker than a platform that pays out 0.5% a day or 0.4% a day or 0.6% a day. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Because again, for me, if you look at my docket of platforms, my menu, there's lots of different platforms that pay out, the range is, it varies, right? As far as daily dividends and that sort of thing. But I like platforms like this. And for me, getting in early, having a trusted and reputable team, the fact that they're not going to put their token on a DEX, these are all things that I liked getting into this platform. It is on Pulse, just so you know, if for whatever reason, if you don't know, obviously you can see it right here. So get you some funds over on Pulse. Use the Zapper. We've talked about that many times already, so I'm not going to rehash that. Let's go into these NFTs. So let's see here. So there's 4 NFTs here. Okay. This is the first one. This is the tier 3 early bird. The I think this is the bronze. Yeah, the Warren bronze. So this is the NFT. Now again, these NFTs are going to be pivotal in layer 2. I would imagine it's going to be another source of revenue, right? Another source of passive income for yourself. Don't exactly know how these things are going to work because, again, they haven't revealed that just yet. But you can get your hands on these NFTs quite early, earlier than anybody else. So if you play in these bond promotions and you qualify, you can get you some of these NFTs. So this is the Warren Bronze. This is the tier 3. Let's take a look at the silver. This is the Warren Silver. Tier 2 early bird, right? This is what it looks like. Obviously, this is something that you can hold on to. And again, I'm not exactly sure how this will create a source of passive income, but I'm sure it will. I'm sure there's going to be some way it'll do that. I'll let them reveal that. Okay. This is the Warren Silver. This is the tier 2. Let's take a look at uh, the gold. This is the gold right here, tier 1. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool, right? This is the Warren Gold, and then this one here is the Warren Biggest Bond. Okay, if you qualify for that, this is the one you're going to get. So again, a nice looking NFT here. So those are a couple of the NFTs that you can qualify for. Again, they're going to be pivotal when layer 2 launches. If you want to jump into this platform, I'll leave a link somewhere around this video. If you're watching it on YouTube, it'll be down below in the description box. If you're not familiar with how the bond promotion works, I have a video on my channel. Matter of fact, the video that I talk about it and explain it, I'll post that link in the description box as well. So you can read up on it, or watch my video rather, and you can know how that bond promotion works. But just know that the bond promotion will end on the 28th. So what is that, like 4 days, something like that? Just about 4 days from now. By the time you watch this video, it might be 3 days. I don't know. So get on the good foot if you want to qualify, or throw your hat, throw yourself in the hat there. So real quick, guys, not a financial advisor, as I mentioned before. Do your own research. Risk capital only. Follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel. I will be giving you more updates as we move forward with our journey with Warren. But yeah, pretty exciting stuff. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.